Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use average formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. So this will make a total of, if you have selected a 5 value, it will make the average value of this 5 count and it gives the answer on your mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use an average formula in your Microsoft Excel mobile is going to show this video. So to use the average formula, so first of all, I'm just going to edit some numbers here. So here I'm just going to have some count, so you can just easily understand how it's going to be. And I'm just going to change this to 65 and OK. So I just need to have an average from 9 to 13. So click on the cell here, click on this icon, just in home section, you scroll down to the bottom section, click on the auto sum, and here you will see this option called average. Click on this average. So it should have the range first. So I just going to choose this range for this. You just want to select this and click OK. Now you can see the average of this sum was 55.4. So here I just going to change this value into 500. You can see it changes to 154.5. This is how you just easily make the average count of some of the numbers that you just need to know by using this average formula or average function on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.